2, 3, 4. I watched the sun come up today. I wish that you'd been there to see it. But you were only half awake.
Quiero presentarte esta extraordinaria oportunidad ubicada en el Country Club La Cascada del partido de Pilar. No te la puedes perder.
Just wanted you to know that I'll never let you go, so stay with me. I find myself lost in your mind. It stops me thinking for a minute. I know the world could be just fine. As long as you are always in it. I see the glitter in your eyes. It stops me thinking for a minute.
Contactame y coordinamos visita.